Here we are given a triangle ABC right angled at the vertex B, and we need to find the perimeter of the triangle ABC, or in other words the sum of the sides of this triangle, which means we need to find the measure of all the three sides. Now what is the information given? This triangle ABC circumscribes a circle. Now the word circumscribe means to restrict or to confine or to limit, and in geometry we use that word when one figure is contained in another, but there is a condition. What is it? Each side should have only one point of contact. It should touch only at one point. But then when you have a circle and a line which touches it exactly once externally, then what do we call such a line? A line which lies outside a circle and touches it exactly once, we call it a tangent, right? So each of these, the AB here, the BC here, the CA, all the three of them, consider them as tangents. So what other information is given? CF is given as 2 centimeter. But then what did we just now say? Each line, it touches exactly once, which means it is a tangent. So CF and CD are both tangents from the same external point C, which means what? CD is also 2 centimeters. Now what else is given? OD is 1 centimeter. Now what is OD? It is the radius. Again, what did we say? Each one of them is, or each one of these lines acts as a tangent. So at the point of contact, radius and the tangent are perpendicular to one another, which means you have a 90 degrees here. We already have a 90 degrees here. It is given. It is a right angle triangle. So why not join this point of contact? I will name it, say, E. I will name it E. Why not join these two? So again, a tangent, a radius meeting at the point of contact E, which means at the point of contact again you have what? A right angle. Now consider the quadrilateral OEBD. So the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. We already have a 270 degrees, which means 360 minus 270. The only option is this is also a right angle. So there I have written down the whole story for you. What do we have? We have a quadrilateral OEBD. We have found out that all the four angles of that quadrilateral is 90 degrees. What does that mean? It is a rectangle. That means what? Its opposite sides are equal. EB and OD are equal. OE and BD are equal. Opposite sides are equal. But then one from each pair, OD and EO, are equal. Why? Because they are the radii of a circle. EB and BD are equal. Why? Because they are the tangents from the same external point B, or in other words, all the four sides are equal, which means all the sides are 1 centimeter. So there we have got one side. What is our BC? It is 1 plus 2 centimeter, which is 3 centimeter. Now that we have found the value for BC, let us move on to the other two sides. Now AE and AF are equal. Why is that? They are both tangents from the same external point, which means what? The tangents from the same external point to a circle are equal in length. So that means if this is x, this will also be x. But then do you remember we said that ABC is right angled at the vertex B, which means its opposite side, which is AC, acts as the hypotenuse. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we see that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. But then what is AC square? This one, it is 2 plus x the whole square. That means what is AB? It is 1 plus x the whole square. And what is BC square? We know BC is 3, so its square would be 9. Now open the brackets using what formula? A plus B the whole square formula. Then what do you get? You get such an equation, and x square here gets cancelled and x square here gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 6, which means x is equal to 3. That means AB is equal to 4 centimeters and AC is equal to 5 centimeters. So that means the perimeter is what? So there the perimeter of the triangle is given by 12 centimeters. That is all for today. You take care. Assalamu alaikum.